Ask any tech what makes a great CV axle and you'll hear one thing over and over. It fits cleanly the first time. That's exactly what TrakMotive delivers. Every TrakMotive axle is precision engineered to meet exact OE tolerances from spline diameter and thread pitch to axle length and boot placement. We use CNC-machined components, precision rolled splines and threads, and OE matched designs like flat splines and pre-installed ABS rings, so installers get the right fit without modification or guesswork. And behind that perfect fit is solid engineering, like our heat-treated CV joint cages and bearing races, which help maintain proper articulation angles under load and reduce wear over time. That kind of precision pays off in the bay. It means faster installs, fewer issues, and less time troubleshooting parts that just don't feel right. And at the counter, that means that you can recommend TrakMotive, knowing the tech won't be back in 20 minutes with a complaint. That's trust, and that builds loyalty. Built for precision, trusted to fit, that's TrakMotive.